New vlog today. If you couldn't already tell, this is Six Flags St. Louis in Missouri. He's the one who brought me here. Yeah, this... I mean, I've waited in longer. If you've been to Knott's Berry Farm, if you've been in Ghost Rider's line, you'll know that line moves like an inch every hour. So it ended up being like a 30-hour long line. So yeah, it's not that bad.
We're here at Knott's Scary Farm.
We're here at Knott's Scary Farm. Anyway, we are here at Six Flags St. Louis. Me and him are gonna go straight to American Thunder. Because that's like what I'm excited for. I have been avoiding any and all kind of like spoilers. So I haven't watched any POVs. I've only seen off-ride footage. And I don't even know if it has any airtime. Yeah, me and him.
It does have airtime.
Alright, y'all, great news. Yes, you can be in it.
Hey, what's
Yo. Yo.
What's your YouTube video channel?
Owen Coasters.
Owen Coaster. Wait, let me subscribe.
So me and his first ride is gonna be the back row on Batman. If you watch my Over Texas vlog, y'all will know Batman has been closed at Over Texas for, I would like to say, quite some time. And no, we're not going to. But yeah, first coaster of the day, Batman. Then we're probably gonna go. Where should we go next?
Mr. Freeze, definitely.
Mr. Freeze is all the way over there.
Yeah.
Well, let's just set up the coasters right here. But yeah, this is the way to get to Batman.
This is Owen's first time being at St. Louis.
All right, guys.
And then later on, there's going to be people in costumes running around scared.
People in costumes. But yeah, first ride of the day.
Is on that side.
First ride of the day, y'all. Batman the Ride. It's gonna be back row. All right, y'all. B&M inverted coaster. First coaster of the night, actually. Apparently, those two inversions are freaking whippy as almighty hell. It's got a bat. I think it's got a Batwing element. Is like they specially named it. Oh my god, that was so intense. This Zero Giro right here came out of legitimately nowhere. Very back row ride, by the way. Very, very back row. Oh my god. Those corkscrews were so whippy. That corkscrew, it was just so whippy. It was, I don't even know what to say. It was so good. It was like, it was the Zero G roll is probably my favorite coaster element on this ride I've been on. No, the two corkscrews. Favorite element on this ride, 100%. My favorite element that I've been on right now. But Declan, where do you think we're going now?
Mr. Freeze.
Wait, let's go to American Thunder first.
Yeah, American Thunder first.
All right, American Thunder up next, or should be.
Waiting on it.
But
no, and there's gonna be people like in costumes like staring and shit.
Oh my god, this freaking ride was so intense in the back row. That's like my favorite back row ride of all time. That's like my favorite back row ride. But what might be able to finish it, what might be able to make it better, make my back row, my favorite back row ride, would probably be I don't even know what to say. The back row. The back row is so intense. So yeah, see you guys later, or later on the coasters, not later, right? As in bye. All right, guys. We're saving Ninja for later because we don't want like a headache right now. So we're gonna ride that later. I think maybe after Mr. Freeze and
we're going to Mr. Freeze right now.
yeah, we're going to Mr. Freeze right now.
And
that means
American Thunder.
and American Thunder. That means I will have ridden both Mr. Freezes. But yeah, I still can't even. I don't know why Mr. Freeze isn't right next to Batman. Because that's how it is at Over Texas. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Over Texas is like got a small plot of land. But yeah, that. Oh, this way. But yeah, freaking. Batman's intense. Oh, you can't even see me. Batman's intense. So, yeah, we're going to Mr. Freeze right now. All right, so it's Mr. Freeze before American Thunder. As you probably know, I've been on one of these rides.
Like on YouTube?
But yeah, I've been on one of these rides before at Over Texas.
And he went on frontwards, not backwards.
Yeah, the one that I went on, it wasn't running backwards because the backwards train was closed for maintenance. But this one only runs
all the
backwards.
water out.
Oh, is this like the water rapids ride?
Yeah, they drain all the water out.
Oh, I love that roar of Mr. Freeze.
The G-force on it is crazy.
I love the roar. That's like my favorite coaster sound. Is that fantastic roar of Mr. Freeze.
The G-force on this is crazy.
Yeah, I've heard of that. But yeah, you guys probably can't see anything. But
It's like really dark right
it's like pitch black. So this is gonna be a.
And the line for this is probably gonna be really long.
It's not gonna be that long. It runs. It has two stations.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
And
this.
it doesn't even look that long, guys.
It's St. Louis. This park has never had any lines.
Yeah.
So
Except
yeah.
for Batman.
Except for Batman. Batman had a pretty long line.
The Joker's gonna have a long line.
I'm not riding the Joker. Like you guys know. And coasters only. So yeah. Bye guys. I will not be filming on Ride just because. Maybe on like the Boss and American Thunder and like all the wooden coasters I'll record on Ride. But yes. That was so much better than going freaking forwards. The second, like after like going down the vertical LIMs, after the vertical LIMs, oh my God, it was the G-forces. It had to be the G-forces.
You wearing your glasses?
The vertical LIMs after that was so intense. It was actually crazy. Like Declan, who's my friend in the pink, has been in the vlog pretty much the entire time. He's the one who brought me here. He was screaming. He was screaming so loud because it was, my neck hurts because my neck was getting pushed down so much.
It was all from the G-force.
It was all from the G-force. It was running so much faster than the one at Over Texas too. So yeah, American Thunder is up next.
And the other thing broke, shut down.
Oh yeah, the other side shut down.
Some girl got a nosebleed.
Oh, some girl got a nosebleed?
Yeah, and they just had to clean it up.
Oh, but yeah, okay guys, American Thunder is up next. So hopefully, on the wooden coasters, I will be recording on Ride. So yeah, see you guys on Ride.
Oh man, that was crazy at night. These coasters are crazy.
Oh, so, okay, change of plans. It's not gonna be American Thunder up next. That looked very ominous. Ooh. It's gonna be the Boss up next. So possibly, this is possibly gonna be my roughest coaster I've ever been on. Because I've heard the Boss is miserable. But apparently Rookie Racer is also over here. But yeah, freaking Mr. Freeze. Mr. Freeze in the back row. Holy moly, the freaking G-force. I still can't get over it. The ride's here, like, it's been so long since I've been on Mr. Freeze. Because like last time I was on Mr. Freeze was spring break. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys by the Boss. All right guys, well I guess change of plans. We're actually going to American Thunder. but y'all can't see diddly squat. Yeah, there's clowns everywhere. And they're terrifying. Oh my god, it was definitely rough. Definitely rough, but it was so good. Okay, the flow ejector airtime was crazy.
Bro, that drop was so unexpected.
I know, we were in the back row. That drop, he was screaming so loud. It was insane. It was.
I'm screaming because I'm screaming.
Yeah, we're screaming because it's fun. You cannot see us. But anyway, yeah, we're going to the boss next. That has a chance to be my overall coaster, my second overall coaster. Obviously, it's not better than Ghost Rider, but that has a chance to be my number 2 overall coaster. Not because of how good the airtime was, but because of how good the layout. The layout is just so good to the point where I don't even know what to say.
Can we
So
not
yeah.
go down?
Okay, so the ride I'm not ready for is the boss. Apparently that's like the roughest coaster in like the history of, or one of the roughest coasters in the history of coasters. Yeah, yeah, what he said. But yeah, anyway, we're heading over there right now. But yeah, we're gonna head up Brickie Racer and the boss, and then we're gonna do the last 3 coasters, which we're saving Ninja for last because Ninja is supposedly like miserable, like a headbanger. So yeah, I will be seeing you guys by the boss. I'm not gonna be on recording, it's too dark. As you can see, you barely see anything. Normally if I was standing here, you could probably see Mr. Freeze. So yeah, see you guys by the boss. All right guys, it's going to be the boss, Brickie Racer, and then Pandemonium. And then we'll do Screaming Eagle, Boomerang, and then Ninja. 6 more coasters to end off today. See you guys by the boss. Declan, is this the roughest coaster ever?
This roller coaster hurts so bad.
And it's the boss. I am ready for it. I'm not sure. Let's not, no, we're not going to the fast pass. We don't have a fast pass. Wait, no, let's just go to the entrance.
Okay, we're by the entrance that way.
No, this is the entrance.
Okay.
This is a walk-on. But it's one of the longest wooden coasters and roughest wooden coasters to just ever touch the face of the earth. Yo, I don't trust this. It is legitimately just straight forest and tracks. Hardwood lumber. It's hard. Okay, right here, look at this thing. Y'all can't see diddly squat. I'm not even visible. This guy just tripped me. Oh my god. It hurts so much. I don't even know what it is. It hurts so. To be fair, I love the layout and I love the night ride.
Every time I get off of it, my back is like warm.
It hurts so much to the point where the roughness was pushing my thigh and my legs upwards, and right into the little like metal lap bar. Like underneath my knees and my thighs hurt so much. But I can appreciate the layout and the airtime.